Guys, in this video we shall texture, or let me say I will show you how I texture this model and also how I set up the lighting for it. Also, in the next part I'm going to be animating the model and also give out the model for free. So don't forget to turn on your notification and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's get to it. This carpet shader, let's go to the shader editor. Okay, the carpet shader, I followed a tutorial on YouTube which explained how I want to do it. All the texturing in this, apart from the carbon fiber, is procedural. Like the carpets, everything, they are procedural in Blender. So there's no external texture apart from the carbon fiber that I use for the mirrors and also the side skirts and for this red bumper. Yeah. And also I didn't unwrap the model, I only did smart UV project for it. Yeah. For this part I used a principal BSDF with the roughness set to 0 and also a black color like for the roof or the car. Okay. So for the tires, what I did here is basic procedure texture. The noise texture connected to the texture coordinate and the mapping node, then a color ramp, and I increase the scale a little bit, you can see, and also set the values black. And also for the bump, added the noise texture, so with the texture coordinate and also a mapping node connected to the bump and also to the normal of the principal BSDF. You can see just something basic. Yeah, for this carbon fiber, what I did for this part, I just go to edit mode, select all, U, unwrap smart UV project. What I did, and also added the carbon fiber texture, image texture now. So yeah, for this part also is the basic metallic roughness set to 0.3 and also a clear coat of 1, like so. Yep. For this headlights, all these are just basic materials, like this metallic set to 1 reference to 0.1 and also gives a color. This one also emission set with strength of 10. Same with this metallic one. Yeah, for this part I used wave texture, 2 wave texture, one set to the Z axis, one set to the Y axis, and also I mixed the 2 colors together using a mixed color node. Then connect it to the bump, to the height of the bump, and also to the normal or the principal BSDF, and give it a yellow color. Yeah, just basic texture. Yeah, for this mirror, a principal BSDF shader with the transmission to set to 1, and also I increase the IOR value for that. Yeah, for the tail light also, just basic material, color set to red, metallic for 1, reference to 0.4, that's all. And this emission with 150 strength. Let's set up lighting. Let's add an area light, then move it up to that part, then scale it in the Y axis like so. Also scale it in the X axis to cover the entire width of this background. Also, let us increase the strength to 6000, like so. And I added extra area light, move it to the side, move it up, and rotate it this way, and also scale it in the right direction and also in the Z direction. Then increase the strength to like 500. With the lighting, also add extra area light for the front part, move it in the right direction, move it up, rotate it a little bit like this, scale it in the X direction, also in the Z direction, and also give the strength of 200. Let's see, let's give it a strength of 100. Also move it backwards and duplicate this for the back parts, rotate 180 degrees like so. So as it does it, so add a camera and then position it inside, Control Alt 0.